Hello everyone, I'm Kaushik Srivastava and I'm going today to teach you about the Panda series, how we can create the series in Panda. Basically, first of all, we have to understand what is a series in Panda. If we go with this concept, we will find it is basically one-dimensional labeled array, okay, which is capable of holding data and of any type. Like if you want to use integer, if you want to use a string, or you want to use float or any type of object which is related to Python, you have to create with this. The accesses label, which is collectively uh, with this sequence, it is called indexes. Okay? So we will go with the practical session only. First of all, we have to understand how we can create a Panda series. Yeah. So we have to open like I have opened Jupyter Notebook, but if you want to use any type of compiler, you can go with that. But in other compilers, you have to download and you have to import the module. Sorry, you have to download and you have to install the module with PIP. Uh, Here I'm using Jupyter Notebook, so you have to just be with me and you can see what I'm doing, and you have to also do with the same. Creating a series. I'm just giving a comment series in pandas. Yeah. So how we can create a series in pandas? There are several type of series which can several ways which we can use for creating a series in panda. Like here I'm using the first of all, we have to go with create an empathy series. Suppose that we want to create empathy series. First of all, we have to import the module. We are using pandas, so we have to go with import module. So here I'm just using pandas, and if you want to make it in a shortcut way, we have to use pd or whatever you have to use in the sequences. Like if you are not going to use, you have to use whenever you want to use the value of Panda series. You want to import the module, you want to complete the module, you have to just import with the whole name, the complete name of pandas. Here you have to use, just like I'm using pd, commonly it is used pd, so I'm just using a series name series. I'm just creating a variable with the name of series, and we are just going with pd.series. You have to note down one thing here. In series here, s will be capital always. Clear? And once we have to go with print syntax for getting the output, what from where we will get series. Okay. Once we will run this module, you can see it is creating a empathy series. Okay. So it is also giving a warning, but you don't have to focus on the warnings and all. You have to just see it is created a series, which is the name is here. Okay. Suppose that if you want to create a series once again with some other things, like if you want to create a series with an array. Okay. So I'm just creating a series pandas with array. Clear? So if you want to create it with array, you have to also import the same module. Import pandas as pd. Clear? Then after, if you want to create an array, you have to also import uh, numpy module. Okay. Once you have completed this, you have to fill a data, like whatever the data you will use. You have to give a variable. First of all, I'm just giving a variable d, and then after I'm just using np dot array for importing the for completing the array, for creating the array. Here, suppose that array value, like I'm just push here. I'm just using some names. Clear? And appreciate. Clear. Once you will go with that, you can see we have to use another variable for printing the series or for importing the series into pandas. We have to use a series. Suppose that I'm using s pd dot series, clear, where it will get value. It will get value for from 8 sorry d, and then after we have to go print syntax, print, and then after s. Once you will complete it, and you will see. Now you can see it is a type of object. You can go with the number also. Suppose that if you want to go with the number, you have to just copy these things. You have to just paste it here, and you here you have to enter like whatever the number you want to enter here. Whatever the number you will enter, sorry, here this decimal, whatever the number you will enter, once you will click here, you can see it is changes into index and values. This is the index, like 0th row, 1st row, 2nd row, 3rd row, 4th row. So, and data type should be there. Data type should be object here, because we are using some objects here, and data type integer here, because we are using some numeric integers here. Clear? uh, if you want to create an like if you want to change the indexes, like if you want to change the index values, what we have to do, we have to just follow here, and again we have to type the same here, but here we have to add just one thing, like wherever I'm just defining pd dot series dot d, here I have to use some names. I have taken the name from number, like std1. Okay, so index, we have to define the index here. Index is equal to, then after we have to create a series, and then it can be changed into the series also. Okay, suppose that std1, I'm just creating it. There are 5 values, so I am just creating std2, I'm creating std3, creating std4, sorry, std4, and at the last I'm creating std5. Here, so these, once we will created this, suppose that I'm just changing this number, suppose that we are taking the marks from here. So once we will run, you can see the index, whatever the index was, it will change now. It will change into std1, std2, std3, and std4. I hope it is clear, and you will able to create this. Now the next thing that we have to go, we have to create the series, data series from list. Okay, so here creating a list from, sorry, creating a series series from list. Here, how we can create a form of create a series from list. First of all, we have to use the import panda module. Import the module. We have to import pandas as pd. Here, then after we have to create a list. Suppose that I'm just giving a list here. uh, Whatever the list you will create, it is up to you. Like I'm just using some names. So, okay. Suppose that these are the names that you have created here. Same you have to do. You have to just go with print a series, series series, and then after you will put the data of series from the list, list. Clear? Once we will take it from the list, and we are going to print command. Print command, we will go series. Okay. Once we will go with that and run, you can see it is changed. Same you can also do with the indexes also. Like if you want to change the index of these, so here you can also add, yeah, with yes. Yeah. So you have to just use. You can use this, or you can copy this, or you can type it here again, like index here. And then after, you have to create the list, whatever, yeah, st1. Suppose that I'm just creating st1, yeah, p1, person 1. And then after, I'm just creating p2. Then after, I'm just creating p3, just creating p4. One thing you have to remind, the you have to follow the numbers, like you have to create the same. If there is five persons, then you have to also create here five. Once you create it, you will get the indexes are changed, and now you can see it is p1 to p5. Hope it will be clear, and you will get a better response. Clear? So next, that we are creating a series from dictionary. Clear? Dictionary. Here, once you are going with creating a series from dictionary, you have to create the dictionary first. So first of all, we have to go with import pandas as sorry pandas as pd. And once you have to create a dictionary dic. Suppose that I am giving a variable with the name of dic, or whatever the variable you want to choose, it is up to your choice. Suppose that I am creating this. Okay. Then after, you have to give the key value pair. I hope you are already aware about key value pairs. And like, again, I'm just giving some names with some values. Okay, names. Suppose that I'm just creating the marks. Okay, suppose that I'm just creating the test marks. So you have to use some name here. And then after, you have to put semicolon, you have to enter the marks here. Similarly, you can just paste it here, and you can add some other names. You can put another name, and then after, you have to go with another pair. Clear? Just placing five names here. Clear? And go. Clear? I'm just placing five names here. Placing any five. Like, it is up to your choice. Whatever you will place here, you will get the same. Again, we have to follow. If you want to print the series, you have to declare a variable again. Then after, you have to follow the function series series, and then after, where it will get the value, it will get the value from d. Okay. Once you will click d and print series series, you will get the value. Then sorry, you will get, you will get the list accordingly. Okay. Here it is a series which is created by data frame. Sorry, which is created by uh, dictionary. It is a one-dimensional array. Suppose that if you have a scalar value here, if you want to give that scalar value, suppose that any scalar value here. So creating a series by scalar value. I think it is the last way. Yeah. So if you go with the scalar value, you have to import pandas as pd, import numpy as np. And then after, you have to print a series as yeah, you have to give a variable. And after pd dot series, and then after, whatever the scalar value you will do, like I'm just giving 50. And once you will click here, you will get the list accordingly, like print. I'm just giving print. And then after, uh, clear? Once you will go with that, you can see it is a zero, one, only one index is, index is here, and it is data type this. Clear? If you want to make the indexes, and you want to make the same value, with so many indexes, so you have to just put the indexes like 0 1 sorry 1 here 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so once you will click here on the run position, you will get the same scalar value here. You can also change the indexes as per your choice here. So how we can create change the indexes, the same value you have to set, the same point you have to do here. Basically it is up to your choice. Suppose that I'm just using this Rohit, and I'm another name Rama here, and then after I'm using the Raghav here. So once you will click here, you can see it will be changed into Rohit Raman Raghav. Basically the indexes are changed, nothing special in this here. There are several functions which also can be used with NumPy. So I'm just going with one which is known as NumPy function. Basically we are creating a series by NumPy functions. There are several types of NumPy functions that you can use from NumPy functions. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to import pandas as pd, and then after import numpy as np. Once you will go with that, you have to just create a series. Suppose that I want to create a series 1. Okay, for that I'm just creating a small video ser1. Okay, then after you have to pd dot ser series, and you have to use a function like line space. Suppose that I'm just using numpy dot line space. Okay, lim space, and whatever the lim space value you will put here, it is up to the request. Okay, then after print. Okay, once you will go with that, you can see it is written by lim space. Sure. Similarly, if you want to add some more series in the same, you have to go with ser2. Same, you have to just copy. I'm just copying it in the next section, and then after I'm just adding one more, and it will be ser2, and the same function we will follow seris series, and then after we will follow the np dot lim space here. Whatever the lim space we will give, suppose that I'm just giving 1 or 200 in the space of 10. Clear? So again we have to use the same print function. Sorry, print. Okay, so we have to use the same functions. Like suppose that I'm just using this as slash n. Okay, you can click. This is there is some invalid. Sorry, it is comma misspelling. So here you can see it is okay. I hope it is the basic session, and you will get all the things. You will get the notes also on my website, so you can go and download it, and you have to do the practices also. Once you will do the practice, you will get more things, you will get more features about that, and if you have any suggestion, you can also tell me. Thank you.